Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I picked this up today as well. I picked this up at the same time as the t-shirt in my last video. Might post this in another day, but here I am. Already opened it up. I'm not gonna show you my address or something like that. I'm gonna I know what this is, but I want to show you guys anyway. It's kind of big. It's bigger than I expected. It is the Bomb Beyond Insanity hot sauce. As you might see from Hot Ones with Sean Evans, I did actually, let me just okay. I did actually buy the bombs Beyond Insanity. If I will try it, well, I will probably try it out once just to see. No, it says habanero peppers blended with smoky chipotle peppers and natural pepper extract. 135 600 Scoville units. Wicked beyond belief. I can only imagine that. So to the bombs. You can comment below what you think. Have you ever tried them? Let me know what you think. I should probably be very, very careful since I've seen the reactions from from it. Yeah, comment below, like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.